Welcome to our JavaScript best practice for security tutorial. In this video, we will cover the most important security best practices for JavaScript developers. Validating user input is crucial for preventing security vulnerabilities. We will cover how to validate user input effectively. Cross-site scripting XSS is a common security vulnerability. We will cover how to prevent XSS attacks. Using secure protocols is essential for protecting sensitive data. We will cover how to use secure protocols effectively. Implementing authentication and authorization is crucial for securing applications. We will cover how to implement authentication and authorization effectively. Using secure storage is essential for protecting sensitive data. We will cover how to use secure storage mechanisms effectively. There are several common security mistakes to avoid when developing JavaScript applications. We will cover how to avoid them. Using security libraries and frameworks can help improve the security of your application. We will cover how to use them effectively. Monitoring and auditing security is crucial for ensuring the security of your application. We will cover how to monitor and audit security effectively. Following best practices for secure coding is essential for writing secure JavaScript code. We will cover how to use secure coding practices effectively. Node.js has its own set of security considerations. We will cover how to secure Node.js applications effectively. Front-end applications have their own set of security considerations. We will cover how to secure front-end applications effectively. There are several common security vulnerabilities that can affect JavaScript applications. We will cover how to prevent them. Security testing and auditing is crucial for ensuring the security of your application. We will cover how to perform security testing and auditing effectively. I hope this video has helped you understand JavaScript security best practices better. Thank you for watching.